what's up? So we are on the move. I'm on 95. We are headed to Charles City Dirt Riders. This video is going to be a little bit different. This is a whole weekend of riding. It's going to be super cool. We got Dan behind us. I don't know if you can see, maybe. He's in that Chevy right behind us. He's coming all the way from Pennsylvania, 6.5, 7 hour drive. He came all the way down for the Gray Bush meetup this weekend. We are gonna rip all weekend. It's gonna be great. So yeah, let's deal with this traffic, I suppose. Let's get down to Charles City Dirt Riders, get unloaded, and let's have some fun. Alright, so I'm gonna follow Ben over some of these jumps. If y'all want to check out his channel, Ben 10 West Moto, link in the description. He's used to these jumps and knows the speed at which you're supposed to approach them, so I'm gonna try to follow behind him. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, getting some air, getting some air. Oh yeah, got some air on that one. Oh yeah, we're getting up there. Not clearing them yet. Not bad for my first lap. I like these jumps.
They're nice.
Yeah.
Plus, you can come up
oh
short
my.
and not worry about it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm terrible at doubles.
What do you think? It's a lot different than I'm used to. It's very sandy. I didn't notice there was a turn at the end of that, and I went over, and then it went whoop, right down. I was like, whoa!
We're back here at the smaller loop, and you know, this thing is pretty cool actually if you want to do laps, like a bunch of laps. Nothing challenging, but a lot of fun. Okay. That's interesting. The rut's gonna make it tricky, I think. Nope. Uh-oh. How do you want to do this? Just kind of your foot. Nice. Woohoo! Stay, stay.
Stay behind a tree.
Yeah. Hey! There we go.
I don't know about this one.
Yeah, this one's gonna be kind of sketch. I'm gonna try to grab his front wheel if it starts to go back.
That's all right. I was gonna dump it because last time I went straight down.
Yeah. You want to roll it back down?
Whatever way you ask. I could spin it sideways, I guess. Or however.
I'd say straight down.
It, so. I'm on the tree, guys. Someone's got to take it.
Okay. Oh shit, okay.
Good?
I got it.
Cool. Nice. No. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. Oh, damn.
Holy crap, that scared the shit out of me too.
Dude. That was a hell of a save. There you go. Did you see his line?
Wow, dude.
Yep. Cheating. Oh. Oh, what a beast.
Son of a bitch.
One's still good.
So heavy, man. It's in gear, man. I got fucking. Fuck.
Wait.
All right.
Ow.
Okay. Breathe.
One moment. You got it?
Okay, turn on.
Yeah.
Turn on. You got it.
Hey, I got dirty.
Tractor, man.
I got dirty somehow. Okay, I'm done. Good God, thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Those back there
Yeah?
are easier than the middle ones.
Really?
Yeah. You just got to be able to carry the momentum over with the bike. It's like the bike just rides over it.
Okay. So get your initial pop and then try to ride over it.
But the only thing is you got to get outside of your head. That's
Right. Okay, yeah. Need more. Yep.
You got to be dedicated to it.
Yeah. There we go. Not as pretty as I wanted, but it made it.
Hey, you got it over there, man.
Yeah, man. There we go. You good?
I got my foot on that one.
Yeah, I seen you go down awkward. See if I can keep up with Ben. Ben's much quicker than me. Overdone it. I'm about overdone that one. Dude, that's a ton of fun. Yeah, I was trying to keep up with you, but I had to back off a little bit because it was completely white out. Yeah. Hope Dan's all right.
Yeah, the worst thing you want to do is get injured. You're that far away from home.
Exactly.
How you feel? Fine. My foot's, like I said, it's just sore at the moment, but it's all right.
Cool.